Jasperchen? Jasperchen? What are you doing, darling? What are you doing? Did you pull that whole big book out? It's a bit big for you, that book. Did you know? You're going to pull all the rest out now, are you? Seems Jasper is fond of a bit of Jackson Pollock. Bit of Jackson Pollock.